Hi, I'm Sherry, and I'm going to talk to you today a little bit about the VA Sidekick Studio. And this is for coaches as well as virtual assistants. And we're going to take one pain point today for coaches specifically who need a bunch of information quickly from their virtual assistant. Using the VA Sidekick Studio, once you have the system, all you have to do is hit type or start, so that's really easy. And it's going to ask you for your first name. You can type in whatever you want, but these are the things that come up with on your menu. But what today we are going to do, we are going to take an email that we received from Sarah to her virtual assistant. We're going to go ahead and copy that in. And this will happen with any virtual assistant if this is how you're using it. So you type in what it is that you want. So in this case, Sarah wants more information about her workshop, which she has provided for us, thankfully. She wants a social media post for LinkedIn and Facebook that promote the workshop. She wants a short email reminder for her subscriber email list. And she wants a content calendar for the week of March 11th through the 15th. All we did was copied this, pasted it in, and it's as easy as that to get started. The system, what it will do, it will create what it is that, a list of what it is that we want. So again, the social media post, the email reminder, and the content calendar. Going to start with the social media post. Here it is, all ready to go. All the virtual assistant needs to do is copy this, paste it in LinkedIn, paste it in Facebook. It's done that quickly. Everything is there about the workshop. There is the link to register, what the person will learn by attending. That's all there is to it. It's that quick. Email reminder, the subscriber list. All they have to do is, again, copy and paste this into the system, whatever system they use for their email list. It's really quick and easy. It has all the information about the workshop, a little bit about it, where to register, and that it's free. And again, that's all there is. Third thing they asked for was a content calendar. So we're going to create that here, but a couple more media posts that are here, just in case, which is great. And here's the content calendar. So for those 3 days, the date, the content type, and the description. And here's the copy. All they have to do is copy the code and paste it into LinkedIn or Facebook, wherever. Same thing if there's a client testimonial. Everything is right here. Now, let's say we want to create an image for one of the posts. So let's go back up here. And here's the social media post. So let's just copy that, paste, and let's create a graphic, a photo, realistic, and you don't have to type all by the way. Graphic promoting this event. And all we have to do is sit and wait. A couple of things I want to let you know about AI and creating images. Number one is that even if you put in the same exact prompt, the ChatGPT and AI cannot recreate the same thing, so you can't basically copy and paste. But there are some things that you can do to work around that. And as you'll see in a moment here, well, the image will come up. We'll also create a reference number and style information for you. If you like a particular image or post, you'll be able to download it and copy and save the style information in a reference library that either you as a coach or you as a virtual assistant would keep. And then you can reuse those images over and over again and make sure that you know that it's the same. What I'm going to do while we wait for this image to come up, I'm going to pause it real quickly and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And in less than 5 minutes, we have created all 3 things that the client asked for. Here is a beautiful image to plug into LinkedIn or Facebook, and that's it. And I mean, there's a lot more that the VA Spark Studio can do, but I wanted to quickly show you how easy and fast you can have everything that you need with just a few keystrokes or the sound of your voice. If you like this video, find it helpful, please like and subscribe, and I appreciate you being here. Until next time, thanks, bye.